Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Mr. Rudy. Good evening, Miss Kumala, and good evening, Miss Zahwa. Tonight, I will introduce myself. My name is Fajar Maulana Rizal. I am from Excellent 172 CTC, and tonight I will conversation with myself, yapping, and the title is Mr. Fu Discuss and the study club with Miss Kumala, direct and indirect, like that. And I want to start the video by addressing a frustration that I know almost every single one of us has felt. And think back to when you first dedicated to you wanted to master English. You probably went out, bought a fresh notebook, maybe download a few apps and thought yourself, okay, this is it. I'm going to memorizing. You felt disciplined, you felt ready. But let's get real for a second. Fast forward 1 week, how many of those words are actually stuck in your head? Probably none. They are gone. And we think my memory is bad, but I am here to tell you that not true. Like that. And for the example, I yapping in here, and this is deleting information that items useless because it lacks an emotional achar, immediate purpose, like that. And I recently attended an incredible session on English mastery by Mr. Fu and share with the BEC members, and they call it find in when you need it method. In this vlog, I'm going to break down the key takeaways from that how long discuss. We are going to talk about why traditional memorizing is basically a trap. We are going to run through some physical exercising to lock vocabularies into in the brain memories. The same kid used to be programmer, like Mobile Legend, like that. I'm going to share a challenge that which Mr. Rudy gave us, which is designed to prepare the dreamer from the doors. Let's dive into the core pizza philosophy first. Mr. Fu start the session by asking a very point question. Show me your dictionary apps, and memorizing 10 words. Instead, he proposed for we. So, what does that look like in real life? It means you stop treating English like a subject you study at a desk and start treating and you are hanging out with friends, or maybe you are just doing chores but you hit a wall. You don't know the word for slick. Most people would just give up and say it in their native language. But the method demands that your pause. Don't skip over it. And you find the word is slippery. Now say it out loud in a full sentence immediately, because you had a gap in your knowledge and your failed in translate and in translate. That is important. That is how you achieve repetition. Yeah, and the discuss is uh, and the discuss is very hard to me, and I am going to look at specific action, and Mr. Fu sing a song and trying to describe in English. First up, let's talk about clothing. You are got a shirt on and the been a long day, you have to take it off. You use your finger and push those little and opening with the finger, and your fingers doing the many walks like that, pull, punch, and anything. And the anything session is the survive with English. You step on it and your feet slid out from under you, and you almost wipe out the I think that feeling is what will help you remember the walk. And the another step is you need to move silently. Maybe you are coming home late, or you're trying to support something, and you go in RC and go anything country, and you are being a bit nosy. Yeah, you want to see what's happening in the next room. So you find a crack in a door, a hole in the wall. You are looking through it secretly. This isn't just watching, bro. I'm peeping, and you hurt your leg. And Mr. Fu say, if body is sick for the English, yes, sick for English, and with about eye contact with Mr. Fu, he say if you look at someone and you don't blink, yeah, and you hold that for way too long, stop starting at yourself. Let's start. Yeah, make sure you know it. Your body is running low on energy. Your brain needs oxygen. And truly open your jaws, wait, and take a massive breath. That is I'm yapping in here, and finally, and maybe in the last discuss with Mr. Fu is but you learn in use your mindset, you vocal, your and to remind. Okay, see, when you attend the work to the action, it sticks. You aren't translating, you are experiencing. Now let's shift gear to the psychology of learning, like that. And during Q and A question and answer, a student broke at Mr. Alwi and Miss Cynthia. Even our sons, Mr. Fu dropped some seriously wisdom for them. They used an analogy that a laughing involving like Mobile Legend. Woo, Mr. Fu is the best. Mr. Fu asks a top tier player in the class, and how did you get to mythic rank, bro? You student said, I playing 10 hours to play, and that is reality check. We are willing to create a video game for 10 hours, but we complain about 10 minutes of vocabulary practice. Mr. Fu's point one, global English speakers, you need to be living in the language 24/6 in the day, not your homework. There was a quote of the skin that really resonated with me. And we don't need motivation, we need discipline. That is motto, Mr. Fu. Think about that. Motivation is a feeling, it's the temporary. Discipline is the habit, it's permanent. Without commitment, you never start. Without consistent, you never finish. Stop waiting to feel like studying. Just do it. Also, a quick tip on confidence that they share: check up posture, chin up, chest out, and your confidence collapse with your body. Stand tall and your speaking will naturally improve like this. And recharging the fear of making many mistake. And Mr. Fu say it's about not about mistake. You will be shaking your body and speaking with your mistake. Don't be a robot translator. There are funny moments during the walks and what is and the sun was deafening and sudden it is raining, the aura is raining, and it doesn't mean animals are falling from the sky. It just means it's raining, the atmosphere is rain, and I don't understand in the context maybe, and not all, but I try to listening Mr. Fu, Mr. Rudy, and with my friend, and they are speak with the rule, and one, it has to be at least 3 minutes to remind English and anything else. You and explain direct and indirect and what is make example, make example like that. And I think that is about Mr. Fu discuss, and I will to share about my speak with Miss Kumala, Miss Kumala's group, and that, and about what is like discipline, and like this, like discipline, and I try it to speak bahasa, speak English with what is with apps, help apps, and keep grinding, keep practicing, and remember, if you don't know it, you find it. You go to find it like that. And I think I need a motto, and I think the motto, the most best motto is earth in the world is hard. If you want to survive, you have to need confused with your body. If you not survive, you will die. If you will die, don't wake up again, bro. And this is the work, come to the reality, and come on, move on, wake up. And Mr. Fu say, no process, no progress, no success, like that. And Mr. And Miss Kumala say about myself, about myself. She is proud of me. Yeah, thank you, Miss Kumala. And we discuss about degree and comparative degree. Oh my god. And anything else like sentence, we have what is we have story, fun story. Maybe last week we go to uh, city garden. City garden in front hospital. In there we studying with fun in and take a photo, take a moment, and many else. And Miss Zahwa learn study with me, study with us. That is the good mentor for me, the good miss, the good miss for my body. I'm sorry for my listening. That she is heroes for us like this. And I think that is about me and discuss and study club in Miss Kumala like that. And anything else I will yapping in here. I will yapping in here. And you know guys, I am trying English every day, every night, every hour. I will trying, and I will go to other countries, maybe Japanese or Aussie, I don't know. And I will go to Mecca like that. If I speak English, if I can speak English, I speak international language, international language like that. I am interested to speak English for myself, for interesting to find myself. I spend money, spend time for myself if I can. That is for myself too. That is my myself. And I study with Mr. Fu. I learn with Mr. Fu about process. Process is very dangerous. Process is very sick. Process is very tired. I think I am in the process. I am the phase or the step in process, not success. I'm the process. I'm the process and process and progress. I'm the process, progress like that. And Mr. Fu say with me in the garden hall about confuse yourself and you will be a most best yourself for yourself like that. Thank you Mr. Fu, thank you Mr. Rudy, thank you Miss Kumala, and thank you Miss Zahwa for your listening. I will what is that? I am nervous. That is 20 minutes take video first. I'm sorry. That is first. This is first video. I talk 20 minutes, and if I make a mistake, I'm sorry, and thank you for your start for your knowledge, for your knowledge. You are my superheroes. Okay, and that is all. Thank you. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.